To add a new customer, click Add New Customer. This will take you to the Create Customer screen. Here, enter the full name of the customer, their city, and complete address, including the street and house or apartment number. Next, input their email address and mobile number. Make sure the mobile number is 10 digits without the country code. Once you've filled in all the details, click Create Customer to save the new customer profile. After adding the customer, you can view their details by navigating to the Customers screen. Click on the Customers icon in the bottom right corner of the home screen. This screen displays a list of all your customers, including the newly created ones. Each entry shows the customer's full name and mobile number. To view more details or edit the customer's information, simply click on the customer entry. Clicking on a customer entry will open the Edit Customer screen. Here, you can update any information or delete the customer profile. After making the necessary changes, click Update Customer to save the changes or delete customer to remove the profile.